Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to give you a review of the super handy folding power wheelchair model GUT155. It's referred to as the Go Ride. What makes this model unique is that it only weighs 39 pounds and it has a weight capacity of 220 pounds. It's very safe, very dependable, and you're going to learn all about it in today's video. Now, I will tell you that at the end of this video, we're going to tell you how you can get access to a discount code only available through this video, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. You're going to see a little hidden message on the screen. If you are interested, you also get tax-free sales and free shipping. One other thing I want to tell you is that we do have a free product catalog. It has our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our company in it. If you want a copy, all you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of the page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts if you'd prefer to just request one over the phone with the number below, or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the review. What's up everybody, it's me Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. Thank you for joining our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna go over the super handy, this is model GUT155. It's a 220 pound weight capacity folding electric wheelchair. Weighs only 39 pounds with the battery removed and can hold up to 220 pounds. Super affordable, lithium battery. It's got about a 16.5-inch wide seat. Folds up really neat, has suspension. We're gonna show you how to fold it. You just gotta flip up the foot plates and then basically just pick up on the left or on the front and the back of the seat. Again, 39 pounds without the battery, and folding it and unfolding it is a breeze. It's got a really comfy seat. It's got a strap there to support the backside of your legs. The foot plates flip up. Front suspension coils on the front wheels there. Really large tires, so it's going to perform well. This can handle an incline here that we have on this ramp. We're at MedTrade, by the way, and they have a little demo ramp behind that I don't know if you can see, but it's at a 9-degree incline. Handles it well. Of course, you got to keep in mind that the weight of the user and the terrain, if it's grass, it's going to make a difference, but I'm impressed. And it does have automatic brakes. Kind of looks like a manual chair, but with 2 motors on the back, automatic brakes, and of course the joystick controller, which you're going to be able to use to control the speed. It has a little horn buzzer. You can increase the speed, decrease the speed. There's the power button. And the battery is here on the side. It does have an on and off switch. To remove the battery, you actually just pick straight up, and there is a charging port on the battery. So on the battery itself, there's a little cover for the charging port. You can also charge it on the joystick controller up high if you don't want to bend down and you just want to leave your battery in. So here's the charging port on the joystick controller. Super convenient, really nice design, super handy, no pun intended. And again, this is model GUT155. Does come with a seatbelt, by the way. Armrests flip up, which you don't really see in too many power wheelchairs. So it's nice that it has that comfort adjustment feature. You can easily remove the joystick from the right to the left armrest. By the way, the joystick also has a USB charging port on it. So right next to the charging port for the battery, you've got a USB charging port if you want to charge your electronic devices that are USB powered. Again, this is made by Super Handy, super lightweight, super convenient. There's actually a heavy duty model over there, which we're going to do in our next video. So make sure you subscribe. Not only are you going to be entered into our monthly giveaway where you could win a free power wheelchair like this one, but you're going to get access and notifications whenever we release new product videos, entertainment videos, repair videos, you name it. So thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
For your support here and your help. Stay tuned. You're going to see a lot more of this product on our YouTube channel and website soon. Take care, everybody.